Hey guys, what is up? Today we are filming one of the most exciting videos. You guys know I'm obsessed with room makeovers and decorating, and we are working on a project that I have wanted for my bedroom for so long. We're doing a little room makeover featuring all of these fun things that I've been saving. Right now my room has a full-size bed. It's very small. My sleeping is very important to me. As a nurse, I need my sanctuary. I need a queen bed. I feel so fortunate to have Helix Mattress Company. They reached out and they wanted to send me a mattress, and I was like, this is my time. They're sponsoring this video and I'm like, this is perfect. This is gonna kickstart me finishing up my room and making it a place that I am just like so happy to be. I'm gonna show you guys the before. We have special guest Doug here. He's ready to go to work. The other reason why we're redoing this room is because if you watched a couple of videos ago, my dad is actually creating like a little container house in Southern California. It requires a bed and it's basically gonna be the guest house. We needed a full bed for that, so we're like, this is all just gonna work out nicely. We're gonna take my bed and we're gonna bring it to California next time he goes in the fall, and he'll have like my sheets and the mattress and everything for that. And then I get to have a bed that actually takes up the space that I need and gives me a little bit more room. And the other reason that I needed this bed is because this room is tiny. Let me just show you. Like, we have this area here, the shelf, the bed, the bedside table, and my closet. Like, that is it. The only other thing we have in this room is this tiny little vanity thing that my dad made me. We have maximized every ounce of this room, and the only space that is left to maximize is the area under my bed to utilize as more storage. This room is really tiny. I have no dresser in my room, so that means I have to put everything in my closet, which I've like kind of hacked, but it's hard to live in a small apartment. I do a lot of activities, and this apartment is 530 square feet. So it's a very small space, and we're trying to utilize it more appropriately. So the bed that I got actually has storage underneath. So I'm really excited to reorganize today, get the new bed, do like a little room makeover, and just make it like the most ideal space. Typically what you don't see is that I have a lot of stuff that piles up in this area because I simply just don't have a place to put it. So the new storage is going to be a total game changer, and I'm hoping that the new bed will also be a game changer. I have been sleeping like kind of niff because I get so hot, and this mattress I've had since college, and we've tried to like fix it by buying toppers and all these things to make it better, but it's just not my favorite. So hopefully my new Helix mattress is going to be a total game changer. Step one, we need to get all of the boxes out of my dad's truck. Oh, you can't really see, but he's over there and it's full of boxes. I have the mattress and the sheets here and my lamp here, but we gotta bring in the headboard and like the big boxes. So that's what we're gonna go do.
I got a feeling for you. I could easily wake up to the summer swims through your eyes.
Do you see my cute little lamp?
You're always wanted a lamp with a little dome top.
I did. Okay, we're gonna go get the headboard and then all the boxes will be in. Kind of feel like we should start inflating the mattress because it might take a sec to cut it out, you know?
To allow it to puff up.
To puff, yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Do you want to let it lay on the floor here?
Yeah, I can lay on the floor. I'll
you
do
put
this.
a little jump off for the sides.
Growing fast.
It's gonna become
It's gonna poof. Okay, you guys. I keep forgetting that my couch isn't there. That was weird. We are officially gonna poof up the Helix mattress. If you guys haven't heard of Helix, they offer premium mattresses that are shipped right to your door. They have free shipping in the US, and they're customized to your sleep style. I'm gonna like plop it on the floor, I think. Helix even has a sleep quiz that you can take online, so I'm gonna overlay a little bit of the quiz. I am a side sleeper and I sleep really hot, so I matched with the Helix Midnight Luxe mattress, and I got the cooling topper. Okay, how should I do this?
Take that tab and fold it underneath the whole thing. Take the paperwork out, tilt it up, and we're gonna lift the box off.
Better sleep starts now.
Come on, so I'm gonna pull it up and you're gonna stabilize it out.
Okay.
Here it is.
I got it. There she is. This thing is beefy. Helix also has a 100-night sleep guarantee, so if you don't like it, you can return it. And they have a 10-year warranty on their mattresses, as well as a lot of financing options too. Why is it so satisfying? It's so fun. It's starting to inflate. I can hear it. Can you hear this? Whoa. Oh, I see.
Yep.
Oh yeah, this thing is gonna get big. We might have to rotate it. We're gonna spin it and then we have to flip it. It's like magic. Oh wait, shouldn't we flip it over so the top is facing up?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Oh wait, take those out. Those are the pillows it comes with. Get 2 free pillows. This is so exciting. It's already like pretty big.
Yeah. It's amazing how quickly.
Like that was pretty fast.
I was thinking it was going to take like
Same,
hours.
I thought it was going to take hours. That was so fast. The power of vacuum sealing. Yeah, don't break that. Oh, it feels nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh
so
yeah.
Comfy. It's gonna be cushy. Okay, one more step for yours.
Yeah, I think that's good.
There we
now,
go.
Flop it.
Flop on it.
Oh, it's so cool. Feel it thing.
Wow.
Wow. It's so
That's
nice.
a beautiful mattress.
You guys, look at this
Funny
thing.
to say a mattress is beautiful, but it is a beautiful mattress.
It's beautiful. The Helix Midnight Luxe, that's the one that I got. It's like this, so soft but cooling. It's weird.
Yeah, and it has the surface, you know.
But when I lay on it, it still like feels like it supports my body. It's a nice balance. We thought that that was gonna take a really long time, so we did this first when we probably could have done something else. But it looks sick.
Oh, I can take a nap, right?
Thank you again to Helix for sponsoring this video and sending me this incredible mattress. I'm so excited. I am going to put a little blurb at the end of this video of what I think of the mattress sleeping on it, especially compared to this one. I am gonna take all of my bedding off of the bed, start to move all the stuff under the bed so that we can disassemble, reassemble the new one, put the mattress on. You know the drill.
Growing fast. Sunflowers.
This time we got a mattress bag. We've never moved with a mattress bag before, which is crazy. This mattress plus the topper is gonna go all the way to the desert, like a 17-hour drive eventually. So we want it to be protected. It's like a giant trash bag for your mattress. This is the opening. We just tuck it in and just pull it up.
We tilt the whole mattress up here on the ground, and I hold it vertical. Then you stand on the end of the bed, and you put the bag over from the top down.
Okay. Or should we just try to lift it up and slide
I don't think we're going to be able to slip it in there very easily.
We might. What if we just like each take an end? Just like, just kind of drag it along.
It's heavy, right? You pick up your sport.
Yeah.
Makes it a lot lighter.
Isn't that supposed to be like a little tab that closes the door up?
Like a giant Ziploc bag.
Yeah, like, I would have paid a little more for that. Should we try to tape it up?
Do you have tape here?
Yeah,
Packing tape?
I have packing tape. I mean, we could probably seal it off. It already has a tiny rip in it. This stuff is cheap. But at least it's better than nothing.
Yeah, let's bring it on its side like that right now.
Okay. Baby Yoda's in jail down there. We have to get him out. This is all the junk that I have shoved under here. We're gonna disassemble this bed and then get our new one in.
The ocean's giving me the notion. Feelings of excitement fill my veins. The rush of blood like a hurricane.
Right now Doug is taking apart the last part of the headboard and I am just putting everything labeled screws, the long ones for the headboard and the side rails, in one place because this is a very easy thing to lose. So I like to be good about my labeling, and the old instructions are in here, so hopefully he can set it up by himself when he goes back to the desert, plus instructions.
It's really easy to assemble.
This is the best gift I'm ever giving. Yeah, we do love this bed. It's good quality. I'm glad I decided to not get like a cheap bed because I just can't with that bed. And the greatest joy was not having to take apart my college bed. We're done with that era. We only buy quality. Oh, it's Baby Yoda! You rescued him! It was born dusty under there! We're gonna take this to the car. Another load. We are officially refueled, so now I'm gonna clear all of the stuff that's underneath the bed so that we can start to build the new one.
Feeling like the ocean's giving me the notion. Feelings of excitement fill my veins. The rush of blood like a hurricane. Your mind is so cryptic, do we feel the same? You're pretty like a Sunday, yeah. Oh, 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 feeling like a Sunday.
It's a soft oak and it's like really smooth. You guys, Doug likes it. I am grateful because his opinion matters. My only concern is that it's like a hair shorter than my old one, so I hope the height of the ski picture is okay, but
I think it's gonna work.
I think it'll work out.
Because look how much room you have spaced out above the picture of the ceiling. A lot.
Yeah.
So if you have a little more at the bottom, it's still gonna work.
So now, while this is open, should we just put my old headboard and like tuck it in? I mean, honestly, we could. It's like right here.
We could.
We could just clamshell
it. It's pretty tall, so it may fill the whole box.
I know.
Okay, so let's
try to do it.
Foam.
Yeah.
And get it out of the way for right now. We'll put the headboard in there, and we'll put it in the box. And we'll maybe take the box shut.
Like done.
Put it in there,
The thing is we can go get the legs and put them in there.
Yeah. I'll just go grab the legs and we'll put them in there, and then we'll put that foam on top, and we'll just tape the whole thing shut.
We officially have the king in his element building this bed. The instructions said it would take us an hour. It's currently like 6 p.m. so we're gonna try to beat the clock and get it done faster than an hour. I am liking the look already. I think it looks really nice, and honestly it complements this shelf that you built me pretty well, and I like that it also doesn't block the plug. If I'm being honest, I didn't really measure, but I figured it would fit because I had space. But it's nice that I can plug my computer in. And my job has just been to take out all of the recycling and trash because it's kind of a lot. That's my one thing I hate about ordering furniture is it's like so much excess stuff. So much packing foam. It like kind of kills a part of my heart. So we're gonna have to be really good about recycling for the next year to make up for our sins because I feel bad.
I love it when I catch a smile from her. Feel all the colors and I don't want no other. Smile on your face, it rises when I say love to spend all day just watching the world go by.
Sunflowers growing fast. Sunflowers growing fast. Can it last?
Oh, 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 feeling like a Sunday, birds are singing through me. Oh, 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 feeling like the ocean, giving me the notion. Feelings of the side.
You guys, it's time to bring the Helix mattress to her home. I need to stop. Okay, so now I'm gonna lift it up. Just
Just knife it under, right?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Oh my gosh, there it is! Woo!
It looks just like that. Look at that headboard. It's great.
It's so great.
No, it's comfortable.
It's so comfy. Yeah.
Oh,
It's pretty nice.
I'm gonna sleep like a baby on this.
This is gonna be so nice after work.
Yeah, you'll sleep good. You need to get a good night's rest.
I'm gonna link Helix mattresses down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. I'm actually so impressed.
Oh, there is one front and back. Here it is.
There is, yeah. So now we're putting in the storage drawers. Have little wheels on them. It's kind of nice because it doesn't make the bed bulky. Oh yeah, those are so nice. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, no guides. They just roll on the ground. So
Yeah, it's so nice.
This is gonna be the forward one.
It's finally looking a little bit more empty in here. There she is. So quality made. I love. Oh, everything is so smooth.
You have no regrets?
No, I have no regrets. I'm gonna get to ground level so you guys can see. I'll try to link this bed down below as well. It's from Article.
So nice. I love how they roll like that.
I have a bunch of stuff from them. I've always been so happy. It just looks so clean and nice.
They work so good.
Yeah. Doug is sitting beside me taking a rest from all of his hard work. His shirt says work to death, and it's so accurate. It's one of the best shirts I've ever bought him. So now we're gonna unbox this lamp. This is something that I have wanted for my bedroom for so long, and I literally got it for free because my work, it does this program where if you like track your steps and track your like healthy habits, you get points, and then you can redeem the points for a gift card. You know, I was all about this. I got a lot of points really quickly, and it has earned me this free lamp.
What color?
It's green because I have some green accents in my apartment. Oh, kind of looks like I have to assemble it.
Lamp Kia?
Lamp Kia is right. Oh, it's such a cute color though.
Oh, that's pretty cute.
Like a really cute
Like a sage almost.
I am a master of building.
Washer.
So goes this.
And then you put the washer. Actually, you should probably put this right there. Then the washer goes on top. Bless you, man.
Lots of steps to earn this lamp. Oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. I'm gonna go set it up. Cute little mushroom lamp is up. I only have one light bulb. So far it only lights up on one side, but it can light up on both sides, which is gonna be so amazing. I'm officially ready to make my bed. Favorite sheets ever, the Brooklinen sheets. I've never tried their Luxe style, so this will be kind of nice to check out. I've always had their classic ones. I'm gonna make the bed really quick just so it'll all be nice. I'm not gonna sleep here tonight because I'm going to the mountain tomorrow and all my ski stuff's at my parents', but then when I come back from skiing, it'll all be set up for me so that when I get ready for work the next day, I can sleep well in my amazing new Helix mattress. I'm so excited. Let's make the bed.
This is the sound of summer. Love it when I catch a smile from her. Feel all the colors and I don't want no other. Smile on your face, it rises when I say love to spend all day.
All right, you guys, this is the finished look, the brand new bed. I think it looks so amazing, like so much better than the gray, because I love how you can kind of have like a contrast of the oak and the white. I'm obsessed with the sheets. I think they turned out so nice. I love the tan stripes with the oak. I think it looks really cozy. I'll probably pop in another day just so I can give you guys a review of what I think of the Helix mattress and to show you guys what I ended up doing with the drawers underneath. Huge shout out to my dad, Doug, for making this happen. And we'll talk to you guys when it's like done, cleaned up, perfect. Hello, you guys. It has officially been a month since I have set up my Helix mattress and slept on it, and then finally got to finish all of the organization under my brand new bed. So I thought today that I would show you guys the final reveal, what everything looks like, and then give you a review of what I've been thinking of my Helix mattress. Personally, I feel like the biggest thing I've noticed is that my back is so much more supportive. Like I have less back pain because I'm not like sinking so much and having like weird angles that I'm sleeping on, if that makes sense. I definitely believe in the Helix sleep quiz. It's so helpful. I'm a side sleeper and I feel like on my side I'm very well supported and I've been sleeping great. If you've been thinking about upgrading your mattress to a bigger size or just something that actually suits your sleep, I definitely recommend checking out Helix. They actually have a 4th of July sale going on right now for a limited time. You can go to helixsleep.com or click the link in my description box to get 30% off Elite or Luxe mattresses as well as 2 free pillows, or you can get 25% off the entire site. Thank you again to Helix for sending me such an amazing product. I've been blown away. Even my best friend came to stay with me over this month and she was like, this mattress is so comfortable. Without further ado, let's show you guys the room reveal. What organization that I have added to this room. Life is just always better when you're organized. This is our brand new bedroom. It looks so nice and I finally got a second light bulb so that I can have a light like this, or if I want it super bright, I can use the other pulley. I'll link this down below as well. I just feel like the whole space looks extremely calming. And then my favorite part, I was finally able to move my workout gear from my living room. It has been in my kitchen area in the bottom drawer of this dresser. And I finally can have it in my bedroom and these nice drawers that pull out. I have a lot of workout clothes because I do a bunch of different sports. So I feel like it's so nice to have everything in one place and be able to see it all. I have like all my tank tops and short sleeves here, all my long sleeve shirts that I wear for skiing, all my shorts here, tennis skirts here, leggings and different ski base layers here, and then I have like all my flare pants there. It hides perfectly. And then the other thing that I wanted to put in this drawer was all my shorts. My shorts have been hiding shoved deep within my closet, like with my swimsuits or high above, and I could never reach them, and it's summertime right now, so it's so nice to have all my shorts accessible. I have all of my jean shorts and then all of my sweat shorts, and then down there I just have some swimsuit cover-ups. I have another half of this drawer. Obviously it kind of runs into my shelf here, but I'm probably gonna put things in the back there that I just don't access very often but I want to have in a home. That is officially the end of today's video. The big room makeover is complete. I feel so amazing about it and I cannot wait to come home after a long shift and just plop into bed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you are into the organizing and decorating content like I am. And today's question of the day is going to be, if you could change one thing about your bedroom, what would you change? Obviously mine was my bed and I'm so happy that it is now in its beautiful state. Thank you for watching this video. Big thank you to Helix again for sponsoring it. You can check out the link in my description box to shop their amazing mattresses and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.